We have another example on the board. Again, we're supposed to raise the complex number expressed in polar form to the third power. Again, we're supposed to use the following theorem. So what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to raise magnitude of this number to the third power. So I have 4 to the third power. And according to the given formula, I'm supposed to multiply the angle by the power and times theta. So I have 3, my power, times theta, negative 60 degrees. This is equal 4 to the third power is equal 64. And 3 times negative 60 degrees is equal negative 180 degrees. And this is the solution to my problem.